Microsoft 365 has many groundbreaking new features. One of the most relevant for financial modelers is the introduction of dynamic array formulas, also called dynamic ranges. These formulas treat the entire range as one rather than individual cells. Several new functions were introduced to work with dynamic ranges, and one that modelers may find helpful is the unique function. What I'm going to demonstrate here is how you can use the unique function to make a list of unique values. Here I have a fictitious customer list of a company with 3 columns: customer name, visa number, and street address. If you carefully notice the list, some records are repeated inside the table. In the past, if you wanted to create a list of unique values, you had to make a copy of the data and use the Remove Duplicates tool found on the Data tab. With this new function, making a unique list is super simple. To use the unique function, click on the E2 cell and type equal unique. Then highlight the range containing duplicates from A2 to A84 and press enter. A unique list of values appears. Try changing one of the values to something else. For example, change cell A8 to Andreas. And your dynamic array will automatically expand to include the new value. You can tell a dynamic array formula because of a faint blue line that will appear around the range. Because dynamic array formulas automatically expand or contract or spill based on the source data, be sure to allow plenty of space below a dynamic range. If a cell contains data blocking the range, the array formula won't be able to spill appropriately, and you may see the hashtag spill error. Clear the cells below the formula to fix the error. Another function that works as dynamic arrays is the XLOOKUP.